At Nature's Path, we have always believed that organic food can change the world for the better.
It's why we get up every morning. For over 40 years, we've created some of the most trusted, beloved organic breakfast and snack foods. And therefore, it's time to refresh our look and showcase our exceptional products. We're introducing all new packaging artwork, and it has never looked so good. Cleaner, more vibrant, gorgeous product photos.
All with our familiar personality and same delicious taste.
A new, elevated, and modernized Nature's Path logo that's rooted in the earth, designed as a fresh expression.
This is only the beginning. We've been busy working on new products, flavors, and sustainability advances that build up everything we've done so far. And we cannot wait for you to see and, of course, taste and enjoy them.
Thank you for believing in organic, trusting us, and being part of our journey towards a healthier, organic future. Here's to you.